case would be that you just acquire some new information, some new knowledge, you go on some training, you read a book or something like that, and then all of a sudden everything is hunky-dory. Where the truth is... This is Mark Harvey here, and I am here to give you a reminder. Or if you've not heard this before, then wow, it's new information for you. But here's the thing, information, knowledge, that's the power, yeah? Come on, you wish it was. Because then the case would be that you just acquire some new information, some new knowledge, you go on some training, you read a book or something like that, and then all of a sudden everything is hunky-dory. Where the truth is, and I know you know the truth, it doesn't work like that now, does it? Because we had many people that have been either in business or on their property journey, and they acquired a lot of knowledge, and they have the knowledge. But then, for 2 years, you just see the last Transformational Tuesday that went out, like for 2 years, 3 years. I think it was 3 years. Was it 3 years? I think it was 3 years. Go watch it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Real Life Group. But the thing is, that's what they were doing. One property they buy with all their knowledge that they acquired in 3 years. Now they've done 4 times that in 1 year, because there is a little secret. But it's not really a secret because we all know it. We just avoid it. And that's the fact that the knowledge by itself is not the power. The information is not enough. You're going to need to know how to execute it. Now look, this is a gift. Knowing how to do this, take action and execute, you have it. Even if for the last 20 years you've done nothing. You haven't done anything. You didn't take action on anything that inspired you or got you closer to the real dream that you want, not just, paycheck to paycheck kind of thing. But even if you haven't done it for the last 20 years, right now, you can do it. You can execute on a piece of knowledge or information that you know. You can do it right now, even if you're not doing it for the last 20 years, in this very moment, and you can use that gift of execution, moving forward, taking action. You can use it any time in your life, wherever, whenever. Now, the question is, are you utilizing it? Because a lot of you might see some stuff on Facebook or some social media. You might see, oh, here's the knowledge, here's the step-by-step, but do you actually take the action? That is the missing ingredient from everybody's situation where they're not creating the success that they want or deserve or even would appreciate. Because you got to make it happen, people. Like if you don't execute on that, but I get it. But I totally get why people don't do it, because of the fear, because of self-concept and your self-image and your self-esteem and all of that stuff. These are some of the things that people will rarely admit, but that's what it will come down to. But again, you've got this gift right now. The truth is, everybody does have what it takes. And there's just some key things that you need to understand mentally and emotionally and even spiritually, if you want to go that far, to help you produce these results in the physical world that you want. Which some people want more time with loved ones, more time to travel, more holidays. Some people want more cars, watches, houses, comment. Comment, wherever you're watching this, comment what it is you want. What do you want more of in your life? Because that's going to be a key principle, the taking the action, the execution. I see a lot of people, they know what to do, they just don't do what they know. So you've got to get around an environment, you've got to get around people that give you a constant reminder of your gift, which is to be able to move, take action, and apply. You've got to apply. So tag some people in this right now that you believe could do with a reminder that you've got to go and apply what you're learning. I see people going to different kinds of trainings all over the world and all over the country, and they're reading books and they're saying, I've listened to this podcast and all the rest of it. Listen, you just need to apply. So tag someone or comment what you think right now, wherever it is you're watching this, and just say, hey, am I executing? What can I do more of? What can I apply? Did I read a book and then I didn't apply any of it at all? Did you apply something? Oh my God, in fact, there's a 12-day success challenge, which you can get for free if you go to 12dayschallenge.co.uk right now. 12 days challenge, it's the 12-day success challenge. And you can get that program is for 12 days. It's going to give you a video and it's going to make you aware of some very awesome stuff. And that awesome stuff, will you apply that every day? Just do what the video says. You will be 100% more successful than you are today. Yeah, and you planted the seeds for the growth for your future. Because if you have been paying attention to anything that's going on in your life, you've got to realize that it's those small, daily, consistent, positive actions and the execution of that that's getting you to where you need to be.